Welcome to a demo of Vroozi eProcurement for Deltek Costpoint.
Hi, today I want to show you Vroozi Marketplace on top of Deltek Costpoint. What we have going on is we have an employee who's logged into the marketplace. They need a tool. So what they're going to do is search on the marketplace for that specific item. And what they're searching on is the company's preferred, approved, and contracted suppliers. So when they search for a drill, there's 60 results, but I have exact specifications. So I'm going to use the filtering here to get to exactly what I need for this specific job. So clicking on a few of these filters here gets me to now 9 results. Let's see, I need 2 batteries. And then we'll go with the 20 volts. So there's 2 choices here. One is preferred, so that's why it's at the top. And that's the one I'll go with. And we actually need 4 of those, so I'll add that to a cart. So very familiar territory for most people in the online shopping. They know if I add to cart, we're up here where that item is ready to move forward. Okay, so you can collect as many things as you need, but eventually you want to move that to a request now, where we now need to enforce the controls for the company. Okay, so we're going to have approval processes. We're going to do a budget check. Looks like we have a lot of room for budget. And then we're going to classify the spend. So we're going to categorize it so you can track it. We're going to give you some good, clean data at the end of the day. Underneath, one click away, is the accounting. So we can assign this to projects. You can assign it to cost centers, GLs, whatever you need to do, so that person can just simply hit submit and get the stuff that they need. Okay, so right now that purchase request 74 is in a financial review process, ready for our approver to allow that to continue. Okay, let's go put that hat on. So we have an approver here who's going to use their email. So I'm going into my email inbox. And at the top there, the employee, or the approver has received that email with a reject or approve decision right from the email. Okay, so they have all the details here. So I'm gonna hit approve. We ask for this because emails can be forwarded around. This just lets us know we have the right person. So in fact, we do, it's confirmed. And now our purchase request 74 is now in a submitted status. That means it's gone to Costpoint, right? In this particular configuration, what the company has asked for is that we send these purchase requests to Costpoint, and they want to do the approvals there. I'm sorry, the follow-on processing there. So convert the PR to the PO there. Okay, we can certainly go and create the PO. So there's a lot of different configuration options. So waiting for that process to take place in Costpoint, and ultimately it'll become approved. Okay, so now that it's approved, we know that Costpoint has done its thing. So let's go look at Costpoint for purchase request 74. Okay, so if I go and find my records, I can refresh it, and then we'll do a sort. Okay, and there's our purchase request 74. You see the approved status now in Costpoint, and all the information that we need to build that purchase request is now in Costpoint. Okay, so that's an easy way for your employees to build the purchase request that they need in Costpoint, but using this user experience. I hope you found that quick and easy, and certainly compliant with your approved, preferred, and contracted suppliers. Thank you for tuning in.